There are several ways your audience can find your affiliate links. You can either post them on social media platforms, forums, or you can simply rank your affiliate links directly on Google. And this is one of my favorite ways of getting affiliate commissions, because once you get your links to rank on Google, you can continue to make commissions months or years down the line, and you can start making passive income. So the very first thing you want to do is to simply find low competition or buyer intent keywords. And this is simply because you want to go for keywords that are likely to convert to sales, which means you want to target users who are already in buyer mode. So this way you are likely to get commissions. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So you are going to need several tools to do this. You can either use ahrefs.com to do this. You can use answerthepublic.com to do this, or you can basically go over to Google Ads and you can use the Google Keyword Planner. So if you want to use the answerthepublic.com, you can basically get up to 3 free searches every single day, as you can see right here. However, after 3 searches, you then have to pay to use their product. Okay, so if you don't want to pay right away, you can simply just create an account on Google Ads by going over to ads.google.com. And once your account is created, you want to simply come over to this section that says tools, and you want to then click on Keyword Planner. Okay, then once you do that, you want to come over here and click on discover new keywords. So once you come over here, all you just simply need to do is to type in the keyword you wish to target. And like I said earlier, you want to go for buyer intent keywords. So examples of keywords you can type in here is something like best product for specific use case. You can type in product A versus product B. Which of them is worth it? It's way easier to make affiliate commissions from this type of keywords because you already know these people are almost ready to make a purchase. So I'm going to type in this keyword here, best muscle building pill product. Okay, all you just need to do is to click on get results, and once you do that, you are going to see a lot of other related and suggested keywords right here. All you just simply need to do is to come over to where it says competition, and this is where you're going to see the difficulty of this keyword. And as you can see for this keyword on the top here, they are basically high. As you can see here, a lot of advertisers are spending a lot of money on this keyword, which makes them very difficult to compete with this keyword. All you then need to do is to click on competition. You want to basically scroll down to the very bottom right here, and you want to then click on next until you start seeing low competition keyword, as you can see right here. Okay, so if you scroll down, you're going to see a lot of keywords here you can easily rank for on Google. And as you can see, many of them get a lot of traffic. As you can see this one here, creatine supplement for muscle building. You can see this one gets 1,000 to 10,000 searches every single month. And as you can see, the competition here is very low. So as you can see, the volume of the traffic is increasing right here, which means people are currently interested in this keyword. So if I scroll down here, you can see another one here, protein supplements for muscle growth. This one here also gets 10,000 to 100,000 monthly searches. And as you can see, the percentage of the growth right here has tremendously increased over the months, which tells you people are currently searching for this keyword. And you can go over to the likes of ClickBank, Digistore24 and look for protein supplements, which you can then promote to these people, and you are going to get a lot of sales. As you can see, the traffic is huge. So that takes us to the next step, where you want to simply create value-focused content. Google won't rank pages with just affiliate links that are not providing value to users. So you want to make sure to create content that really gives value to people. And to do that, you want to basically answer their questions and provide them a solution. And then you want to simply include your affiliate links naturally. So once you create your content, all you just need to do is to tell people they can check out the current prices of whatever product you are promoting. And now you may ask, how do you create content that gets ranked easily on Google? There are several ways you can do this. So there are so many AI tools out there you can use today, from ChatGPT to DeepSeek to Gemini. So in this video, we are going to be using Gemini, and this is simply because Gemini is the one I found to be most effective for this strategy. So you can go over to gemini.google.com and you can create an account. So the very first thing you want to do is to go over to Google and you want to type in your exact target keyword right here and see what your competitors are doing. Okay. So now I'm going to take one of the websites ranking on the first page here as an example. So if we scroll down here, you can see they are promoting various products on their page right here. And most likely, if you go over to click on any of these protein products and make a purchase, they are going to get affiliate commissions, as you can see right here. All you just basically want to do is to copy the whole of this content like this. So you then want to come over to the message section of Gemini and you want to type in, is there a duplicate of this post on Google? And then you want to include 2 quotations right here. All you then need to do is to enter the whole of the content you copied from Google. And once you do that, all you need to do is to click on submit. In a matter of seconds, Google is going to tell you if there's a duplicate of that content or not. And as you can see here, it says, yes, there's a duplicate of this post on Google. As you can see, it even showed us the exact website where this content was copied from. So the reason we want to be doing this is because we are going to be rewriting this content and we want to make sure when we are done rewriting this content, Google does not see the content as a duplicate. And that way we are likely to get our content ranked as well. So the next thing you want to then simply do is to rewrite the whole of this content. And you can combine either writing it yourself or you can use AI to even help you rewrite it. So you want to copy section by section of this post. So I'm going to copy this section as an example. So once you copy that section, you want to simply come back to Gemini and you want to ask it to rewrite this post and make it even better. You want to also enter double quotation as well, and you want to paste in that section you copied from the website right here. And once you do that, as you can see, Google Gemini is basically going to give you several options that are completely rewritten, and this is not going to be detected as a duplicate content. So now once you've written that section of the post, you want to repeat this step for each of the section until you rewrite the whole content of the website. And once you're done rewriting the whole content, you want to go and redo the first step again, which is by asking Google Gemini again if there's a duplicate of the rewritten post on Google. And if you follow this step correctly, it won't find it as a duplicate. And that tells you you are good to go and start uploading that content to your website and start getting traffic. And now I'm going to show you an example of one of my websites that I did this strategy for and it's doing amazingly well. So now I'm currently in my Google console, and if I go over to the last month promoting content on Google, as you can see here, this website has generated over 5,000 clicks, as you can see right here. Okay. And now as you can see, the position of the website in general was 17, but as you can see, in the last 7 days after using this method, as you can see here, it has significantly improved the position of this website. So now if I scroll down and I show you one of the keywords that is ranking well on Google. So I'm going to take this one here as an example. As you can see, this keyword here is ranking in #1 position right here. So that is why you want to go for low competition keyword. And as you can see, the number of clicks has been increasing every single day. So the next thing you want to do is to simply go over to namecheap.com and you want to purchase a domain name for your chosen niche. So once you do that, you want to then go over to Google and you want to create a Google Search Console account. All you just need to do is to type it on Google and you want to click on the first link. And once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page. And all you just need to do is to click on Start Now and you'll be able to create a Google Search Console account. And once your account is created, it's going to ask you to add a property, or you can come over to where it says Search Property. All right. So once you do that, all you just need to do is to click on Add Property. And now it's going to bring you to this section. And this is where you want to then type in the domain name you bought on Namecheap. So I'm going to type in this website as an example. And you want to click on Continue. So once you do that, it's going to generate a TXT record for you. All you just simply need to do is to copy the TXT records. Okay, you want to then go back to your Namecheap account and you want to come to where it says domain list. And here you want to look for the domain you bought on Namecheap and you want to click on manage. So once you do that, all you just need to do is to click on advanced DNS. And it's then going to bring you to this page and you want to come over here and click on add new record. And you want to select TXT record. This is where you then want to paste in the TXT file you copied from Google. And for the host, this is where you then want to type in your domain name as well. So once you do this, all you just need to do is to click on this check mark here to save these changes. So once that is done, the next step is to start publishing your content to Google. And you're going to need a content management system. And you can either use WordPress or you can simply use Blogger, as you can see right here. However, I recommend WordPress as it has a lot of other features you won't find on Blogger. So once you come over here, all you just need to do is to create a WordPress account by clicking on the Get Started button. So once you do that, you'll be able to link your domain from Namecheap to your WordPress account. All you just need to do is to come over to where it says upgrade. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page and all you simply need to do is to scroll to where it says already own a domain, all right? And you want to click on this. You want to basically type in the domain name you bought from Namecheap and you want to click on continue and you'll be able to connect it to your Namecheap account. It's that simple. All right. And now to start uploading posts on your website, all you need to simply do is to come over to where it says new and you want to click on post. And this is where you then want to enter the title and the body of your post and also try as much as possible to include images on your post. You can get royalty-free images from Pexels.com. This is going to help you increase the engagement rate as people are likely to continue reading your content once you engage them with images. So now you may ask, what do you post on your website? Like I showed you earlier, you have to rewrite content that are already doing well on Google. So once you rewrite the content, all you just need to do is to post it on your website. It's that simple. And also you want to make sure to include your affiliate link telling people to check out the updated prices of the product. And that way you send them to your affiliate links. And also I highly recommend to get backlinks as well. And some of the best websites you can use to build backlinks to your content is reddit.com, or you can also use Quora.com as well. And this is simply because these are high authority domain trusted by Google. You want to basically create a post linking to your domain, and that way once people are clicking on your domain from Reddit and Quora, Google is going to see it as a signal that you are giving value to people in that niche and your content is going to rank higher in the search results. And if for some reasons your links are not indexed in Google, you can simply copy the title of your post and post it on Google, and that way you can find your website manually. If you still can't find it manually, I highly recommend to use Google Indexing API. This is really going to help you get your content ranked on Google easily.